Hey, did you know that the average American eats 27 pounds of bananas a year? And 96% of American households buy bananas at least once a month. We take them home, we stick them in a bowl, or set them on the countertop where they get bruised and sometimes rotten. Welcome to Gadget Workshop. I'm Jamie, your host, and today I'm going to show you the best way to ripen bananas by hanging them like nature intended. The original Gadjit Banana Hook is one of my favorite products. It's so easy. Just peel, stick, and hang. And you're hooked. If the bottom of your cabinet is porous or not smooth, simply secure the banana hook with 2 small screws. And when you're out of bananas, the banana hook simply flips up out of sight when it's not in use. So ripen bananas the way nature intended and keep your precious countertop free of clutter with the original Gadjit Banana Hook, available in white, black, and chrome finishes. And for more tips, ideas, inspiration, and my fabulous banana bread recipe, visit us online at www.makingshop.com, where we strive to make your life easier, better, safer, and more fun.